Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
How do you feel?
I feel very nervous
Very nervous. Why do you
Yes.
feel nervous?
because today I will speak first time.
Okay. I don't know, like, why do people feel nervous when they come here for the first time? They simply say that, sir, today I'm feeling very nervous. Why do you feel nervous? You are coming to the tuition to learn English and to speak in English. And today, if you get a chance to speak in English, so you should not feel nervous, I think so.
I feel very nervous because it is my first video.
Okay.
Before then, I will not.
I did not.
I did not make any video.
So no problem if you did not make any video. Actually, I made this channel so that I can let other people know about my skills, about my doings, whatever I am doing and the way I teach and what I am teaching and how will I make a decision in the people that anyone can learn English. I want to show that particular thing. Otherwise, I would not have been making any kind of videos. So, like it's your first time you are standing
Yes.
here. I can understand that you feel nervous about this. I would like to say you, how would you rate yourself? If I say that there are 10 numbers, you have to give yourself 5 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10. Then how many marks would you like to give to yourself?
I would like to.
Shut down the phone.
I would like to give. Sorry, minute.
Okay, no problem. Take your time. How many numbers would you like to
I would like to देने को
give?
give number to myself 10 out of 5.
5 out of 10.
5 out of 10.
Yeah. How many months have you completed here?
I have only 2 months.
I have completed
I have completed only 2 months.
2 months. In which class do you study?
I study in 8th class.
In 8th class.
In 8th class.
But you don't seem to be in 8th class. Like anyone can say that she's in 8th class. Yeah, you can say that. Okay, and in which school do you? Like in Sarvodaya, in which Sarvodaya? Sector 1, Sector 2, Sector 3?
I study in Government Girls Senior Secondary School in Sector 24.
Sector 24.
Yes, Sector 24.
Since when have you been reading in that school? I have been.
I have been studying in this school only
For
for 1 year.
1 year. Okay. So, does anyone speak English at your home?
No, in my home does not speak English.
Anybody does not speak in English.
Anybody
Does your mom speak in English?
No, my mother does not speak English because she don't know.
She does not know.
She does not know how to speak English.
So, would you not like to teach her?
No, I would not, I would not like to teach her. But my father says that
Yes. What?
my father says, Akansha, you can you teach me English?
Oh, your father says that.
Yes, my father says that after going to this tuition,
After going from this tuition.
after going from this tuition, I teach my father daily,
Really?
every day.
Every day you
Yes.
teach your father.
And my father completed 19 chapters.
Really?
Yes, really.
That sounds crazy. Like, okay, so why do you not say to your father to join this tuition in order to learn English?
Because he
He does not have
time because he goes job morning and night
both time.
time.
But I have so many number of like I'm running so many number of batches. Like we have 5 to 6 batches. So does he
My
not have
my father does come 7 o'clock at evening, 8 o'clock. See, he does not have any fixed time.
timing? Okay, no problem. You can also teach your father, and once he is able to translate, then he can also be able to speak in English. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have only one brother and one sister.
Only one brother and one sister. What is the age of your brother and what's the age of your sister?
My brother is 10 years old and my sister is 11 years old.
So would you not like to teach them, or would you not like to recommend them about this tuition?
No, I would not like to recommend that about this
This tuition.
tuition because I also teach them both.
Okay. So like you teach them, you teach both of them, and you also teach your father.
Yes.
Only your mother is left. Why?
Yes.
Why do you do this discrimination?
Because she does not want to speak English.
She does not want to speak in English.
Yes.
But suppose after learning English, you are speaking with your father, your brother, and your sister, and your mom is not getting what you are trying to say. Suppose even if you are backbiting to her, if you are saying something to your father in English, and your mom is not getting whatever you have been trying to say, then I think your mom will think that no, I should also go for learning English. I should also learn English.
Yes, but I said to my mom, would you like to speak would you like to speak English? My mother said no, I do not. I would not like to speak English.
Your mother said that she would not like to speak in
Yes.
English. Okay, no problem. So in future, what do you have to become?
In future, I have to become a doctor.
A doctor.
Yes.
So are you going to take science in 11th?
Yes, I am going to take science in 11th.
Do you have any interest in mathematics?
No, I do not have interest in mathematics because I don't like math. I don't like maths.
Okay, you have a phobia of math. You are scared of solving maths.
Yes, I am scared of solving math.
Do you not feel that if I teach you maths, then math can be easy?
I don't know, sir, because I do not think I did not think.
Okay, no problem. So it is as your first day and you are standing here and you are speaking nice first of all, and it's not bad that you are speaking. And how many months have you completed here?
I have completed only 2 months.
2 or 2.5 months. Okay, no problem. So what will you say to other people who are still sitting at their home, people who are still thinking about learning English, people who are still curious but they are not coming to us, they are not going to any kind of institutions to learn English, and the people who are living in this area, what will be your message for them?
I will be give message to them. They should come in English tuition and they should learn English. And if they should learn English, if they will learn English, they can speak English.
So she was Akanksha, and it's her first video on this channel, and she has completed more than 2 months. Today she is standing in front of all of us in order to learn and in order to speak in English. Speaking English journey can be easy for you also. You just have to show some trust into me, and if you are not from this area, you are from somewhere else, then I would highly recommend you to join any institutions whichever is near to your house. Suppose you are living somewhere in a rural area, then you can take help from YouTube, and you can also talk to some other fellow friends who speaks in English on so many types of applications. Okay, but I would highly recommend you to learn English as soon as possible, because without English you cannot move forward in your life. So now it's your turn to ask questions. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask.
No, I do not have any kind
But
of.
if you think, then you will have the questions. It was your first video. You know, when I'm shooting first video, I'm not imposing anything on you people. I'm making all of you totally free to speak, totally free to ask, because this is your first video. Otherwise video would not be like this. Okay, we would discuss a lot of topics. We will have multiple discussions and all things in other upcoming videos. Yes, ma'am.
क्वेश्चन नहीं बनना मेरे से.
Okay, no problem. So nice talking to you. We'll meet you again. Okay, thank you.